Stop. Look at this. This was my life just a few months ago. 8 hours of stress, a boss shouting, and zero freedom. But now, everything has changed. I've transitioned to what I call the 1-hour AI workday. In this video, I am pulling back the curtain and giving you my exact 2-step blueprint to automate your income using AI. No gatekeeping, no paid courses, just the raw system. Let's get started. Most people fail with AI because they try to do everything themselves. The secret to a 1-hour workday is delegation. You don't work for AI, AI works for you. My system is built on 2 pillars: AI sales automation and AI content creation. Together, they form a loop that generates cash flow while you're out living your life. This is how we move from being a digital slave to a digital owner. Step 1 is finding your micro niche. Forget broad topics like marketing or fitness. We look for specific problems that businesses are desperate to solve. Once we have the niche, we use an AI sales tool. This tool scans the web, finds potential leads, and drafts personalized messages that actually convert. You don't spend hours cold calling. You spend 10 minutes approving what the AI has already prepared. This is how you secure the bag without the stress. Now, how do we keep the machine running? Content. But we aren't going to spend hours editing videos. We use a specialized AI content tool. You feed it a topic, and it generates the script, selects the visuals, and even adds the voiceover. Your only job is to review the final result and hit publish. By automating the content, you stay relevant and visible 24/7 without ever touching an editing software. Does it actually work? Look at this. Show $1,000 payment proof. This isn't luck. This is the result of a repeatable system. Once you master one micro niche, you don't work more hours. You simply launch another AI agent in a different niche. That is how you scale from $1,000 to $10,000 a month. The 1-hour AI workday isn't a dream, it's a strategy. I've shown you the map, but you have to take the first step. If you want more deep dives into the specific tools I mentioned today, make sure to subscribe to Cashflow Tech and join our community. The future belongs to those who automate. I'll see you in the next video.